Proportion. Specifications. All new Elantra's innovative and sporty design is based on the new proportions of next-generation platform. The increased overall length and width creates a bold presence going beyond the traditional limits of a compact car. The longer wheelbase and shorter overhang provides a refined sense of stability. The lower and longer hood and the passenger space, which has been moved backwards, suggests a sporty driving. Elantra got bigger, longer, and lower. The more you look at it, the more it will satisfy your sporty sensibilities. This is Hyundai's new design philosophy: sensuous sportiness. Impression. Front. The connection between the wide cascading grille and sleek headlamp produce a dynamic charisma. The glittering parametric grille, cut into a jewel-like pattern, represents the futuristic lines and sides of the vehicle. The lowered front and aggressive hood create a sportier feel than any other car in its class. The lines, designed based on the airflow in the wind tunnel test, express a dynamic sense of speed. The wide front fender wraps around the expansive hood for a sense of stability. The larger Hyundai emblem, meant to match the larger body of the vehicle, creates a bold sense of confidence at the front of the hood. Harmony of bold forms and delicate details. Hyundai Sensuous Sportiness. Profile. Side. The long hood and sleek roofline complete the coupe style. From start to finish, 3 lines are extended into one, making the car look bolder and larger. Sharp edge lines were made possible thanks to Hyundai's advanced mold technology. The elaborately trimmed sides of the unique parametric jewel-like surface that continue onto the rear fender appear even more three-dimensional when they catch sunlight. The character line boldly placed below the door handle to fit the overall lowered height and ground clearance make the vehicle sportier and more stable. The belt line extends horizontally and looks stable not only when standing, but also at high speeds. The Elantra's chassis was designed to look light and agile, no matter what size wheels are installed. Harmony between a sporty profile and edgy lines. Hyundai Sensuous Sportiness. Stance. Rear. The roofline, belt line, and side character lines from the front all clearly and vividly continue to the end of the trunk lid. Lines that are usually very difficult to configure with steel were completely applied through plastic exterior materials that are traditionally used only for luxury cars. The long trunk lid line, which you can see from a quarter view, makes the car look longer. The integrated H tail lamp that stretches horizontally represents the H in Hyundai in high-tech style. The cabin line that maintains the shoulder room of the rear seats while gathering towards the middle shows a sense of luxury that fits the larger width of the vehicle. The lowered rear lamp and wide bumper provide a visual sense of stability with a low and wide stance. Dynamic design, even from the back. Hyundai sensuous sportiness. Interior. The expectations created by the vehicle's innovative exterior design are met in the driver's seat. The perfect harmony of the driver-based ergonomic structure and the fine details of the car offer a highly perfected sense of immersion. The immersive cocoon driver space, which reinterprets the concept of a pilot's cockpit, has low and wide lines that hug the door, crash pad, and console to achieve a sporty and open feel. The immersive interface display that seamlessly connects the digital cluster and navigation screen is easy to operate with its 10-degree tilt toward the driver. The slim and long air vents are both sporty and luxurious, while the 64-color ambient mood lamp makes driving at night something special. Buttons are intuitively grouped, offering easy-to-press angles and flawless textures. The high console creates a sense of stability and luxury, while the grip handlebar is designed with consideration to both style and functionality. The slim front design offers a sense of openness with wider view. The center door trim, lowered and lengthened like the exterior character line, captures both a coupe-like style and a sense of ease. The rear seat doors are symmetrical with the front doors for a seamless design. Harmony between a driver-focused, sporty aesthetic and a comfortable sense of space. Hyundai sensuous sportiness.